Hello viewers, I am Firdos. Welcome to my channel SIF Lab. Today's tutorial is perfect for anyone creating magazines, poster or banners. So please subscribe my channel and stay with me till the end. Let's start today's tutorial. Effective text outline stroke effect in Photoshop to create your magazine cover, poster or banner. Awful. So let's open a mockup file. This is my mockup file for you to start in short. Let's compose a title. Okay, model. Let's make it quite big. Okay, I think this is okay. One text layer should be the bottom side of my main subject. This is my main subject, this model, and one title should be the upper side of the model. So let's create a copy by by copying Control J. Okay, let's rename it outline as we need to work mainly with this layer. So if you review my class, so you can understand where we need to work mainly. So check our model outline layer. We need to fill this with 0 value. Now it's disappeared and my model behind the subject is visible. So we need to main work or focus upper of the model outline text. Now go to this function, add a layer style and select a stroke. See, the stroke effect comes here nicely. So you can increase or decrease the stroke with your desiration or by demand your design. I think 8 or 9 is okay for this one, and you can change the position as your design demand. I like to keep it inside. Okay, inside. The last job we need to do, selecting both the title layer with Control, go to the dash line and link layer. Now when we will move our text, both the effect will work togetherly. So link layer is must necessary. See, your cover design with the text effect looks very attractive. If you like this, please do subscribe my SIF channel, like and comments, and stay with me so I can bring more nice tips and tricks with you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you with me and watching my channel.